Alright, so I got my new saw here, and just first small project that I'm doing. I'm going to make a stand for my kid's tablet, and just wanted to show something real quick. Now, just to be fair, I haven't completely read the entire instructions, because nobody does, so this may be adjustable. But the blade is not square with the fence. It's not off by a lot, so it's not terrible, but it's not good. So it's a lot more unsquare than that 7 1/4 inch saw. So if you look, I cut this side to make it straight, and then I came through and I cut this side by placing it up against the fence, and then I cut it. So that would technically make this a 90-degree angle here, and this would be square. It's not. If you look here, I actually drew a line. This line is square. And I don't know how well this is going to show up on the camera, but if you look here, this distance here is smaller than this distance here by maybe 1/8 of an inch. Doesn't sound like a lot, but this is only a, I don't know, like 8-inch piece of wood here. So if you're talking, 16 inches, that's actually going to be a pretty big difference. And so basically I took it and I lined this square line up with the saw blade. So if it was going to cut square, that's where it would need to be, right there. And you can see how far off the fence is. The entire fence needs to come this way by about 1/8 of an inch versus down here. So the problem is, you would think that adjustment would be done down here. Well, with these notches, you couldn't do that. So I'll look over the instructions and see if maybe it is adjustable. Right offhand, I don't know that it would be. Because, you can't adjust this unless there's a mechanism inside here where it latches. Maybe that's adjustable, because it doesn't have to go over much, very small amount, and that would put it square. But if you take, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this with one hand. So this is flat up against the fence, and you can see here, you see how far off that is from where the blade is going to be. See, I don't know if you can see it, but the blade is barely touching there. See, the blade's touching there. The blade is not touching there. So yeah, the blade is not square to the fence. That's problematic. I'll look at the instructions later and see if there's an adjustment. Maybe there's something. See, we got this here, which that locks into there. Yeah, so unless there's some way to shift this over slightly, then it's not going to be adjustable. Alright, well, I'll give an update if I figure out that it is adjustable. Bye.